We've got another vertical line test opportunity. Once more, we are not going to concern ourselves with that opening sentence, and we're going to highlight just around the blank so we can set up our vertical line test. So we're going to have nickname, and then what we can do here, because we know the transition of however is kind of breaking up the main ideas, or really just the ideas of the sentence overall, I'm going to have feeling be on the other side. Basically trying to remove the however from consideration so far. So we're going to have before the blank and after the blank as we have to this point. So Scott Heron himself resisted the Godfather nickname. Well, that's a complete idea. He resisted. So simple enough. Feeling that it didn't encapsulate his devotion to the broader African American blues music tradition, as well as bluesologist, the moniker he preferred. That's an incomplete idea. So we know this is going to be incomplete afterwards because there's no subject. It was Scott Heron who did the feeling. So we don't want to have a semicolon here. So we can eliminate the two answer choices that use a semicolon, because a semicolon is going to have to come between two complete ideas. Theoretically, it could be replaced by a period and a capital if it's truly coming between two complete ideas. Then we've got to consider, do we want to have that, however, bracketed or just with one on one side with a comma? And we should know that whenever we've got bracketed commas, that means that we should be able to remove that word and still have an overall complete narrative for the sentence. So let's do that here. Scott Heron himself resisted the Godfather nickname, feeling that it didn't encapsulate his devotion to the broader African American blues music tradition, as well as bluesologist, the moniker he preferred. The bracket we can certainly remove, however, and have the sentence make overall coherent sense. We'll select C,